Alright, we're going to get started on learning how to use our Microbit for our smart greenhouse. This one is going to be mostly focused on how to just connect up the Microbit to your machine. You're going to need, of course, the Microbit, and we have Microbit version V2. How you can tell if it's a V2 versus a V1, it has a little speaker on the back, and it will also have a little V2 in the bottom right corner. So that's our Microbit, and you're going to need a USB micro cable. And so you're gonna first connect it up, and you'll probably get a beep, and if it's a new Microbit, it'll play a sound. And we are going to log in to our mate code, because that's going to allow us to have some access to our old programs. So I'm going to log in via my Google account, and we're back in. Okay. Why it's useful to create an account is because then if you move computers, you always will have access to all of your files. And here I'm going to create a new project, and I'm going to call this project 1, and I'm going to create it. And the first thing we want to do is connect it. I've already got it plugged in, and down here at the bottom of our screen you'll see a big purple download button. You've got your code blocks, you've got the coding area, and the Microbit simulator. So what we want is these 3 little dots. We're going to click those 3 little dots, and we're going to connect the device. And it's going to walk you through a series of windows. Connect to your Microbit. You go, yes. I'm going to pair. Yes, I am going to pair it. And then it should pop up in the window. If it doesn't, sometimes what you can do is take your USB cable and plug it into a different port, as sometimes one port might only be for charging, it might not be for data, particularly on a Chromebook. We've run into that problem a fair bit, and that usually fixes the problem. The other thing is just unplug it and plug it back in again, because it may not have had a good connection. So I'm going to click connect. With that highlighted, now it's going to say connecting to my Microbit. It's now connected to my Microbit, and that is all there is to get it connected. And now what I want to do is I want to do something like get my name scrolling across it. So we've got these blocks here, okay, and I'm going to put my name on it. So here's my basic block. When I click it, you'll see I've got all these new blocks that pop up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say show string, and I'm going to put that in the hello forever loop. Okay, that means it's going to run basically forever until I unplug or kill power to it. If I put it in the on start block, this block only runs things when it starts up, so it would have only showed once. So I'm going to type my name in here, Mike. Okay, and I'm going to click download. Alright, first time you're going to see this. It's going to take a little bit of time for it to download. Alright, despite being a very small file. But once you do the first one, it speeds up thereafter. Alright, and now you should see Mike scrolling across my Microbit. And that's all there is to it, to getting your Microbit connected to your machine.